everyone was being double sure and double checked everything. The eco mentors were amazing and they learned pretty quickly and hands-on. We did start to see everything happen nice and slowly, and there was no use of the glasses as yet, but slowly but surely we did start seeing things creep in. There are always telltale signs when the kid starts focusing and leaning forward some more. When they take another second or two to just focus on what they're seeing, we need to make sure that they see exactly the accuracy, or if there's something that needs to be given attention to.
Okay.